Adding some rosé lightens up the heaviness of the cream sauce, making this the perfect summer pasta dish. To make this dish, you'll need some heavy whipping cream, some Gruyère cheese, some Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese, some fresh basil, butter, garlic, pink Himalayan salt, sun-dried tomatoes, of course rosé wine, and it wouldn't be pasta unless we had pasta. If you want to use gluten-free pasta, that's fine too. Just make sure that you're using a long pasta like linguine, spaghetti, fettuccine. The sauce will adhere better to a longer pasta than a shorter one. In a medium saucepan over low heat, warm 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Add 2 tablespoons of butter and stir until melted. Add 1/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt. Next comes the cheese. Stir in 1 cup of the freshly grated Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese. And 1 cup of the freshly grated Gruyère cheese. Stir the sauce until the cheese is completely melted. Pop the glass top on a bottle of Hampton Water Rosé. And add the wine into the creamy sauce. While the sauce is simmering, it's time to cook the pasta. Add a pot of water to a boil and cook the pasta for 2 minutes less than the package directions. Drain the pasta and return the pot to the burner, reducing the heat to low. Add in 1/4 cup of the chopped sun-dried tomato in oil. Next, toss in 2 cloves of chopped garlic and saute until fragrant. Add the pasta and the sauce back into the pot and toss to coat. Add 2 tablespoons of the fresh chopped basil and toss again. Transfer the pasta to a serving dish and top with 1/2 cup of the freshly grated Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese and some more basil. For a delicious meal, enjoy with a glass of Hampton Water wine. Visit In Pam's Kitchen on social media.